All right, shalom, you guys. Sorry, I have to wait until I get notified that this is actually recording. But I just want to say, if you saw my Instagram post earlier, the Most High, He's really just impressed it upon my heart. He's kind of done this over the past few years about prepping, being prepared for anything to occur, natural disaster, etc. Not in a fear-mongering tactic, but to, just be ready. Just be ready. We're not to be ignorant, okay? We can't just, when Hasatan talked to Yahusha on the mountain and said, okay, well, if you truly are, he knew he truly was the son, but he said, jump off the cliff and he'll save you, right? Okay. Example. We're to be ready. We, the Natsarim, the believers, the followers, Yahusha HaMashiach, are to be ready. Okay? That means ready studying the Word, ready in our prayers and intercession, ready physically also. So, so today, I'll take you over here for a second and show you my little corner. But today I was, this bag here is my go bag. So I've got like these rain boots, and then I've got my hiking boots in the corner there. And I have been just the basics, something to start a fire, a wool blanket, something to keep you dry, just the very, very basics. But it's a grab and go, right? It's a grab and go. So I encourage you to pray about it and to get ready, just to have something that you can grab on your way out the door in case of a whatever. I can't say natural disaster. I can't say this, that, or the other. We don't know. We just live in those times, okay? We do. But on a lighter note, all praise and glory to the Most High. I love Him so much. He knows my crazy addiction to ice cream. And it's been really weighing on my heart to let go of sugar. And I've been better this past week. I've been praying and seeking Him. I've been better. So I haven't had ice cream, and we live 30 miles from the grocery store and don't have a car at the moment. So I haven't left the house in like 7 days, which is not a bad thing. But when you need groceries, etc., it's a little difficult. So last night, Abba literally said this to me, you guys. Literally, this is how much He loves us and cares about us. Sorry, I'm gonna set you guys a second. Okay, He loves us so much to even care about my silly ice cream habit. So in my spirit, I heard this. He's like, get the blender out. And I'm like, okay. And then He's like, you have a banana, right? And I'm like, okay. So I had some bananas that were frozen in my freezer. And I had, I know I keep moving around. I wasn't going to show everything. But anyway, I have, honey. And it's organic, pure, raw honey, as you can see, in my fridge. And He's like, blend up the banana with some honey. And I might cheat it just a little bit. But, threw in some of that and just a little pinch of hot chocolate. That's all I did. And yes, it broke, but I need to show this to you because I made the best popsicles. No lie. And that was Abba. And I broke this one, but they're so good. They're so, so good. And so literally banana, honey, a little hot chocolate, not even a full pack, just a little teeny bit, and that's it. And they're yum. They are so yummy. So I just wanted to give that glorious testimony because Abba loves us so much that He cares about that little thing. And then today He blessed us with the bestest bread for $1. So Might be in the last days, but he still loves to bless us every day. He still gets a kick out of making us happy in the little things. So I just wanted to share that on a positive note, because there's a lot of negativity going around in our family of believers. I don't know if you've noticed that, but yeah. Let us just show love, mercy, kindness, compassion, goodness, faithfulness to one another in these perilous times, please. And I do want to make this little side note. The new book that I just finished a week ago came out on Kindle just fine. Amazon Publishing is, I'm having some very difficult issues. For some reason, you have to wait 72 hours and then they release it in paperback. Well, every time that time frame passes, I go back and check it, and it says they cast it back into draft mode instead of into live mode. And I haven't checked it yesterday or today yet, but my prayer is, would you please pray for me that it will be released on paperback, because there's nothing wrong with it. I don't know why it's doing that. I've never had this issue before, but it is a last days tribulation book. So maybe, not really sure, but please, your prayers would be so greatly appreciated, because I want to order a whole bunch of paperbacks just to give to people. So if you would pray for me and with me about that, I would totally appreciate it. All right. I love you. I can't make long videos because I have no internet and my phone keeps freezing because of the data stuff. I truly am praying for that solution, because I do miss just reading the word with you guys. And I pray that you will show up at Parable of the Vineyard tonight, because I absolutely am just totally blessed by it. Like that's my fellowship right now. So I encourage you, sorry about the lighting, to find a fellowship. Make sure that you are somehow fellowshipping with someone else, because we need that. We definitely need that. All right. Shabbat Shalom. I love you, and I will see you on the next video.